Should I turn off my HVAC if it starts making loud noises? Yes, turn it off if the noise is sudden, unusually loud, or accompanied by burning smells, smoke, leaking water, weak airflow, or unusual vibrations. A loud noise can mean that a part inside your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is loose, broken, or working too hard. Turn the system off at the thermostat first, and if the noise continues, switch off its electrical breaker only if you can do so safely. A banging sound may come from a loose blower wheel or a broken part, while a high-pitched squeal can point to a worn belt, motor, or bearing. Scraping or grinding is especially concerning because metal parts may be rubbing together and causing expensive damage. A repeated clicking sound can mean an electrical problem, so do not keep restarting the system to see whether it goes away. Check the air filter, because a very dirty filter can restrict airflow and make the system strain, but do not remove panels or reach inside the equipment. One lesser-known warning is that a sudden change in sound can happen before a motor fails completely, so the noise may be an early signal rather than a minor annoyance. Write down when the sound happens, what it sounds like, and whether the system is heating or cooling, then give those details to a qualified technician. A common mistake is assuming every strange sound is harmless, so shut the system down when the noise is sudden, severe, or paired with other warning signs. Another mistake is repeatedly turning the system back on, which can turn a small mechanical or electrical problem into a major repair, so leave it off until it is checked. Also, never ignore a burning smell, smoke, gas odor, or carbon monoxide alarm, and leave the area and contact emergency help when needed. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.